Yeah, man. Yeah, dude. Woo! We them boys!
There comes a time and place where you don't stand so tall. Doesn't matter how much you wish, things don't always go the way you want. Give it all another day and you're laughing about it all. Like a house of cards, hard to put together, yet easy to fall. Yes, you were right and you were wrong. Sometimes either way, you still get passed on like a ticking time bomb. Value so much, so you move on. Maybe if we close our eyes, we won't despise or peek at each other's flaws. Just hold me now for a minute. Lift me up like my feet will never ever touch the ground. Let's turn the clock right around. Pretend we're living in the shadows of our dreams. my feet will never ever touch the ground. Let's turn the clock right around and pretend we're living in the shadows of our dreams. In the shadows of our dreams.
Fuck! My paddle's fucking stuck. I can't get my paddle.
I'll get out.
Oh, there it is. Fuck!
Get out there.
I'm trying. I got it right. I couldn't get up.
Yeah, you're stuck. You're bent.
Fuck, man.